Hello guys, this is 7156 here and welcome back to my Terraria 4 Expert Summoner playthrough. In today's episode, since I did find, where is it? Yeah, a gelatin crystal, I would really like to fight the Queen Slime. But the thing is, I want to get the Cool Whip, which is a weapon. I need to kill an ice golem to get it, which I kind of don't want to do, but I'll do it anyways. In last episode I had a ton of luck, I even got a magic quiver. Too bad I'm not doing range, but whatever. Okay, now let me pawn hammer this one as well. Maybe 3 is enough. Let me get out of this hole. So yeah, there we go, I smashed 3 demon altars. Okay, I'm in the snow biome. I need to wait until I get a snowstorm, which could take a bit. So I guess I'm gonna shove the wizard in here. Well, there's a bit of cobble right here. Okay, I definitely need a spelunker, hold up. Well, turns out I actually have one in my chest. Time for me to get myself all the ores I need. That I think I'll remember. The chest right there. It says mithril detected nearby when I'm like so close to cobble, like bruh. Oh, okay. Running out of spelunker, let's go. Let me go quickly investigate around here. I only have 25 more seconds. Yeah, there's mithril right here. Oh crap. I have the on fire debuff. Now before I die, yeah, I got like 20. Okay, there's glow sticks there. Gold chest. Titanium. I don't need titanium right now. I need mithril. I see another gelatin crystal. Let me take that. Can't see a goddamn. Alright guys, so I think I'll also make the golden shower even though it's a mage weapon. I'm most likely going to make it to help me deal extra damage since I'm going summoner and that is not the best class. I do have enough for a spell tome. Yeah, it's this one. And we have the golden shower. We have a mythical golden shower. 340 platforms for Queen Slime Arena, not bad. I don't even know, I need to learn Queen Slime's attack patterns, like I don't even know, I never fought the boss before, it's that simple. Oh yeah, campfires. One campfire. Alright guys, so let's fight the boss. Stay tuned. Oh my god. Alright guys, so as you guys just saw, I did give the Queen Slime another try. Yeah, I don't think I'll be fighting Queen Slime first. I think I'm gonna take care of one of the mech bosses and then fight Queen Slime. I don't know, the fight is just complicated. I can't seem to get it. So what I'm gonna do right now is look for an ice golem so I can get the cool whip, because that should be a huge help. The snow biome's tiny, so we gotta be lucky. Where are my summons? Alright, now that. Alright, let's see what I got. Oh, dang, get an ice feather and a frost core, perfect. Oh, alright, sorry about my next for this. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching the video. I will not be fighting Queen Slime first. I'll leave her after I defeat a mech boss in fight. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.